Welcome to the spoken tutorial on Globe, a true model of the Earth. In this tutorial, we will learn about Behaim globe and historical map, continents and oceans, significance of latitudes and longitudes, how to change the color of latitudes and longitudes, grid and coordinates. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux OS version 16.04, Marble version 1.8.3. The process demonstrated in this tutorial is identical in Ubuntu Linux OS version 18.04, Marble version 2.2.20. To practice this tutorial, learner should be familiar with Marble interface. For the prerequisite Marble tutorials, please visit this site. On the Marble interface, the topographical map of the Earth is the virtual globe. Let us learn about what is a globe. The word globe comes from the Latin word globus, meaning sphere. The earliest terrestrial globe was made by Martin Behaim in 1492. Let us go to Map View and select Behaim Globe 1492. This is the oldest model of Earth in the form of a sphere. To see more features of this globe, let us select Legend panel. Scroll down the Legend panel to see Places in German. Select Behaim Places checkbox. This shows the places depicted by Behaim in 1492. Select Texts and Illustrations checkbox. In this globe, inscriptions are shown in German. In this globe, there is no clear demarcation between continents and coastlines. This globe was made by Behaim and his collaborators to discover the West. For that reason, America is not shown on this globe. An assignment for you. Explore the expanded versions of Behaim globe. Hint: use the Legend panel. Let us go to Map View and select Historical Map 1689. In this globe, we can see the continents, latitudes and longitudes. Let us go back to our default view. We can see that land area is represented by light green and yellow colors. Water is represented by blue color. Click on the drop-down button next to Globe View and select Flat View option. Now we can see all the continents and oceans in the same plane. Observe that the land of Earth is divided into 7 continents: Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. Global ocean is the interconnected system of water bodies. For convenience, water bodies have been grouped into oceans like Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Atlantic Ocean. Now we will open the Place Information datasheet of Indian Ocean. I will scroll down to show the information. Click on the Close button to close this sheet. Let us go back to the default view. Let us go to Map View and select Political Map. We will hide the panels for better view of the globe. Go to the Settings menu and select Panels. In the submenu, select Hide All Panels. Political Map shows boundaries of countries and location of major cities. We will go to Asia and see the main countries of Asia. Let us zoom in to see the countries. Russia, China, India, Mongolia, and others. Similarly, we can find the other countries from each continent. Let us go back to the default view. Go to Settings menu and select Panels. Select Show All Panels. Then click on Atlas View. Notice one red dot on the top of the globe. It is the North Pole. Let us rotate the globe downwards to see another red dot. It is the South Pole. Rotate the globe to its default view. The yellow horizontal line running around the globe is the equator. It divides the Earth into two equal parts. Here we see some lines parallel to the equator. Since these lines are parallel to the equator, they are called parallels of latitudes. Notice that some lines are connected from the North Pole to the South Pole. These lines are meridians of longitude. Prime meridian is the main meridian of longitude. It is an imaginary line that divides the Earth vertically into two equal halves. More information about latitudes and longitudes is available in the additional material link. Let us now change the color of latitudes and longitudes for better visibility. Go to the Settings menu and select Configure Marble Virtual Globe option. Configure window opens. From the left panel, select Plugins option. Plugins menu opens. In the menu, click on the Configure button corresponding to the Coordinate Grid checkbox. Coordinate Grid plugin dialog box opens. Here we can change the colors of Grid, Tropics, and Equator. Click on the Grid button. Color dialog box appears on the screen. In the box, I will select dark brown color. Click on the OK button in the color box. Next, click on the Tropics button. Color box appears again on the screen. I will select red color and click OK button. Similarly, I will change the color of equator to black. Click on the OK button in the Coordinate Grid plugin dialog box. Click on the OK button in the Configure window. Observe the change in the colors of Grid, Tropics, and Equator. For convenience, most of the globes show only a few longitudes and latitudes. But the actual globe has a parallel system of longitudes and latitudes. Go to Settings menu and select Configure Marble Virtual Globe option. Configure window opens. Select View option from the left panel. In the menu, under Units, click on Angle drop-down. Select Universal Transverse Mercator. Click on Apply button. Then click on OK button. Observe that longitudes and latitudes form a crisscross network across the globe. It is called as geographic grid. The intersection point of a latitude and a longitude is its coordinate. Let us go back to the default view. Go to Settings menu and select Configure Marble Virtual Globe option. Configure window opens. In the View menu, under Units, click on Angle drop-down and select Degree DMS. Click on Apply button. Click on the OK button to close the dialog box. Let us go back to our home location, Mumbai. we will find the coordinates of Mumbai on the globe. Place the cursor on Mumbai. Longitude and latitude are shown on the status bar. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned about Behaim globe and historical map, continents and oceans, significance of latitudes and longitudes, how to change the color of latitudes and longitudes, grid and coordinates. An assignment for you. Find the continents through which the equator passes and find the Indian states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The spoken tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by MHRD, Government of India. This is Vijay Nair from IIT Bombay signing off. Thank you for watching.